Eto de bia ensemo ya meka ene se ye de asem eto nkrofo so wrongly na okọ asem ni mu a na obehu se se asem ya ye de betu nipa we isu yi ene sa nete na I keep on telling you the allegations wo hwe Justice Kwekwanan and sometimes Kennedy Japan what they to nkrofo so no some of them are true but enye ni na ene kre because I know nkrofo ka say oh dey what time Kennedy Japan yan time Kennedy Japan. I want to give you guys a vivid example, and because of the audios I have heard and what I have listened to, no, the person me mamo a vivid example. Na mo hu say we one of those things. So mo ba kaya Kennedy Japan ye na dwen say wo be exposing na agrada. Ena na agrada e ba bonten e be pa Kennedy Japan cho so wono de wonye na dwen say wo be compete with Kennedy Japan or be de Kennedy Japan or anything. Nini na echi no. Yes, Kennedy Japan didn't expose Nana Agrada again. Now, the last time I Kennedy Japan ebetina ne two, war expose Nigel Gaze, the host of the show, the host of the show, I friend Justice Kwekwanan no. What can assembly etia Nana Agrada na etie for asemwa host ne ekan ene say Nana Agrada akwa ko hu wo sofu bi at the bribe no Justice Kwekwanan no muntie ne that is what Justice Kwekwanan said. He said it on live TV, and a lot of people so say Nana Agrada sha say no wo tie bribe and no more sem na me pese ye kan senya Justice Kwekwanan tina show ne so esen Nana Agrada din obi beka say ene say we dey wo ye confront, but me I've told you will be a comfort. Na sebe ye twa ntroto ne sokrana. You don't expect me as a Christian to keep quiet. Yes, nipa kono onye Christian and interest ye twa ntroto nipa kono so a menye kom. No, I'll not do that. Justice Kwekwanan tena show ne so the allegation to Nana Agrada so say Nana Agrada bre no Justice Kwekwanan bribe. And you see obi beka say ebia a mistake na Justice Kwekwanan ye. But someone who say oh or no way investigation wo say no, you've painted that picture outside and we are not supposed to be making mistakes on some things. Asembe Nana Agrada wo ho ena osofo aye frɛ no osofo apia ye ne osofo apia ne ho nsensem bebre bae nti osofo apia no ebeka tre Nana Agrada say wono osofo apia no wone Justice Kwekwanan akoye meeting na wone Justice Kwekwanan akoye meeting no wo hwɛ ensem a Justice Kwekwanan ne ka wo complaini say oh ne ka say nti osofo apia ne de to Nana Agrada team say Nana Agrada yi mesrew pe bibi kakra ema no na abranche ne ka ayeden asai Nana Agrada nso de omo ben no wo say oye nkrofo adoye. That one me I don't know. A lot of people also accuse her of say wobu nkrofo. Yes, ojam kra babontie beka say wobu no. Yes, and also now iti osofo apia beka sa atu ni team no. Wono Nana Agrada no with the mindset say wo ye papa. And na wakatre apia say okay osofo apia and de ebesi ni say wona wa beka say ne ka say na menya na doye. Iti de ebesi ni say sika no ebe na mo so na de akoma no. Me mpese ebe ye say me Nana Agrada na me de koma no na akoye say me tia bribe na me yese. Iti Nana Agrada epe 10,000 Ghana cedis say 100 million. Ema osofo apia say osofo apia emfa enkoma eye Justice Kwekwanan. Na ensensem we ni na emu no obi nim communication that went on between osofo apia and the Justice Kwekwanan. Nana Agrada te ho wo beti an say Justice Kwekwanan na ebo ni din wo TV so say wono Nana Agrada wo the bribe baba. No say oh obi a woni ti ni baby a osofo apia beka bibi nto no mpo de ye ne say osofo apia ne Justice Kwekwanan kasa say Nana Agrada say wo be ye wadoye na trese wo kan no wa mouse kan na wa fix ya na bibi. Lipa ku no what na TV so ebo midin. And then I also understand Justice Kwekwanan from some points, but That's what I'm saying. Well, you'll be our claiming, say, well, your investigation. So there are some mistakes he's not supposed to be doing. Now, me read the American make sure the point of Justice Kwekwanan, how I understood him from his point as well. It has only see, you know, and Justice Kwekwanan no one who was saying Nana Grada din, but you, Nana Grada had good intention, and then that effect, Justice Kwekwanan just saying Nana Grada din inti. Adoye bia e bia na ko be ya ma obi ne sisi a wonye biom because na no Nana Grada no aka ntem se wonye adoye biom. Inti aho ena osofo apia ebe free Justice Kwekwanan Justice Kwekwanan say, oh Justice sikana Nana Grada de ma me se me mfa mbre ono enye ono ana adwemu enye ono ani trimu po eye me ena me kokatra ne say, oh oka asai na wono anya adoye mimi susu say wono de wonya adoye it say ye o say eye bribe Dabi Jai. And I've heard that phone conversation between Justice Kwekwanan and Osofo Apia, where Osofo Apia told Justice Kwekwanan that thing. And after Justice Kwekwanan who said, oh, and the Sadia Nanke was a worker me. You see, as some Justice Kwekwanan can no. Because I know Justice Kwekwanan so no. He didn't see it that way. I know Fisa and I grad 80 and the bribe. Oh, Nim said, Osofo Apia. After Osofo Apia no no Justice Kwekwanan e kasari ye no e na Osofo Apia ko ka kire na agrada say agrada yi je papa na doye iti Justice Kwekwanan kra ka kire Osofo Apia say oh minimanka o ka kire mi anka. You see how Justice Kwekwanan spoiled Nana Grada's reputation because he thought say Nana Grada ate and a bribe. This is exactly what I've been talking about. Sasem sia wobeka and ya yenhwehwemu or the baba bonten ni abekasa ni asem krofodin. And this should be a lesson to him. Say asem sia mes yesre no won kwoswa enye because some of the things are Kenedeja and now no Justice Kwekwanan one ma ye ka on the platform ne so no send me a walk can say wo ye investigation no some of the things no now wo ye investigation into it he will not be making these small mistakes, and that's the truth. Now me catch him say Justice Kwekwanan the point in so no I understand because and the crowd say I am talking say Justice Kwekwanan anya there say baby, I make us a 1 year, no, please don't separate it. The place where I am saying, say 1 year, and say, well, no, na dream of pop, and you send a na grada air man a bribe. And I would then a na grada got in TV, so a send a na grada din, send a na grada, open the bribe, Cocoji will seek and I may mean bribe, yeah. Meanwhile, that wasn't a na grada's intention. Until later, I know Justice Kwekwanan and the crab who said, oh, why you bonnet here, na grada, was saying a na grada din, meanwhile, it wasn't a na grada's intention. And you'll be endable tune for say 1 year, no. Now, the reason why Justice Kwekwanan also felt say it was a wababontin ebeka sande some obeka ya anas arema ya wanas nsensem anas ko shia no baby anas man is car o ka say eye bribe anansenya anas be release video no eye no hunti. I feel say Justice Kwekwanan also felt say no, this is also that level ni bini into what is kana ebia na video no near the neighbor say Canada Japan ni prakra no wo je bribe na che say ne din asay into no so feel say e wo say wo ba abonten na wo beka no yi ne 3 efrim na nkrofo hu ne say enye bribe e no je just because of anas nsensem no. But you see Justice Kwekwanan eka he has people, they do investigations, they do way yeah ye ni nkrofo aye investigations no. We are the people who are supposed to be making these mistakes. Justice Kwekwanan touts himself on this platform cause one no there. Assembly what the baba bontin aba be can bia no wa ye nhwehwemu. That's the reason why I'm talking about this. That's what he says. Was it any single matter bia what the baba bontin aba be can on the platform so no wa ye nhwehwemu ansa waka. Clearly na grada dey ya wo be say na grada on the platform so dey meti ya kran say that whole night na grada wanda wo sunsa. It clearly. Nana Grada dia was saying Nana Grada din. One yen hwehwemu. Not just said they will catch and say wo bet na platform so they will be bia wo yen hwehwemu no. We one yen hwehwemu sa. You didn't. And that is the matter at hand. I don't think someone here can. And you say bia wo bet na ho no wa send crofo din sa akeke o. That is what we are talking. See there, platform they do it in Kofutie. There are some people who accept everything that comes out from that platform as truth and nothing but the truth. Even though some of the things are was our platform, some of the things though, there are some people who trim and they say, our platform this was Simbia Yebekimbia A and the cre. Then there clearly. It was so far clear among a best friend and now grad trend. Sorry, or best friend justice quick one and say, oh, justice. Then you will fire and now grad idea. One might make a Maya Bonio because on no put there. Now be sending it 3 minutes. I make what catcher and say, what car say. Now, Fay justice quick one who say, oh, idiot. The dear fire and Fay. Yes, Ramo. This is an example of them using their platform to accuse someone wrongly. Say Nana Grada air brow bribe. Meanwhile, it wasn't a bribe. Don't try my comment box.